Hello folks, welcome to Choice Options. So today we at Choice Options bring you a DevOps Bootcamp. So are you eager to be part of tech industry and want to become a DevOps engineer? So here is the opportunity for you. So we at DevOps Bootcamp will teach you from A to Z of DevOps all the tools that are required to become a DevOps engineer from Ansible, from Terraform, from AWS and Kubernetes and Dockers. So you would be part of everything. So here is a chance for you to learn all these things free of cost. You just need to register or contact us on our mobile number 950-3139-578. So in this further strides, I would actually take you to understand you better that why DevOps is required. For that, you need to understand what are the different roles in IT. So first, the IT is divided into two parts. First is software development and next is delivery process. So in software development are those people who actually write the code and develop a product. Testing are those people who actually test the product, find the bugs and give it back to developers to again fix it and again test it. And the third and the major part where we would be focusing is the operations. These are the people who actually release your software. These are the people who actually build, deploy, upgrade the patches, and make sure that all the products and all the services are live and running 24 into 7. Okay, so here and next, we would actually tell you about how it used to work earlier before DevOps was introduced. So earlier, development team used to develop a product and then it would take few months and then it would give everything to operations team. So team used to develop and actually write a document where they would document all the necessary environment variables, all the necessary configurations, all the necessary dependencies that would be required to run the application. And operations team used to understand this and make the changes accordingly and try to deploy this product, run the product, test the product again, and then release it. So it used to take a long time. It used to take few months for a single feature to get released, but which was really unhealthy in the tech industry. So then the DevOps came into picture. So, so before that, so we need to understand, I mean, as I have already told you that what exactly development does and operation does. So a development, all those people who are into development need to learn programming languages, they need to be well aware of databases, version controls and all these things. And the operations people like production support, all those people, they need to understand how OS work, how they need to know very good Linux scripting and all the monitoring tools. So basically DevOps is one such role which is more kind of operations but also part of development. So in the next slides we actually it talks about the miscommunication, lack of collaboration. As I've already told you, we will skip this. Third one, we talk about the DevOps culture. So earlier DevOps engineer was not a role, it was a culture between the operation and development. Earlier it used to be a culture where it would make the communication between developers and the operation team much more easier and much more simpler, and later it became a role. So in DevOps, so what all things that happens now, I will tell you. So planning and collaboration is the first part of development, and next obviously it is developed, then comes the source code management. So source code management is nothing but GitHub, GitLabs and all the source control management tools. So where your code is actually uh, committed and you store your code. And then comes the package management where you actually put all the required configurations, you actually specify the variables, dependencies and everything. And then it comes to continuous integration and continuous development. Continuous integration and continuous development helps making this all automated. Earlier it was very manual, now it would be automated. Continuous integration where tools such as OpenShift, tools such as Jenkins and all these things come. TeamCity comes in. So then containerization, Kubernetes, and all those things. And the last, continuous monitoring. So there are ample number of tools which are included in DevOps, and you need to be very good at almost most of the tools. And we at Choice Option help you doing that. So I would just so if you really want to be part of DevOps, and if you really want to be a DevOps engineer and be part of tech industry and have a great and secure life in the tech industry, do join the bootcamp, and plus do contact us on the Choice Options. Thank you.